Hello, my friends, and to all my new friends, if you happen to be stopping by for the first time and feel so inclined to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm participating in a collaboration. It is hosted by AtHomeWithZane R, and it is called the My Tray Display. So he has just a few requirements, and that is to have a vase, a tray, and a candle. And we could decorate it however we wanted. So here's just a little glimpse into my bedroom. I would show you the whole thing, but I'm not done with it yet, so this is as far as I've gotten. But I do have this very welcoming little tray. So I got the tray from Ross, and I've had that for a few years. I use it all over the place, as well as my orchid and this beautiful candle. It not only smells delicious, but it has this beautiful iridescent color to it. So I put some little Hershey Kisses on there for my guests and a little drink on here with a little reading book. So that is pretty much it for this little space in here. So thank you so much, Zane, for hosting this collaboration. I appreciate it. And let me know what you guys think. I think it's perfect for like a little guest area because yeah, it looks very warm and inviting when you first walk in. Got your book, your candle, your treats, everything. Who am I kidding? I don't have guests. I have my daughters that come and stay here with me. But it's okay. Now they can feel warm and welcome too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend, you guys. Bye-bye now. Today I'm participating in a collaboration. It is with AtHomeWithZane R, and he is basically Georgie's going crazy over there.